What's going on, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, covering some more Q&A that had came in all about the carpet and flooring business. And this question is, the carpet is too high for the door. What do I do? Super common problem. Anytime you upgrade your carpet, you run the risk of it sitting too high and the door not clearing, or your bifold doors not going back on, or your front door being stuck. So I'm going to break down each one of these scenarios, how you can handle it. All pretty simple strategies. The first, most common and easiest to conquer, is a bedroom door or any swinging door. Pop it off at the hinges, and you're going to mark off anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 inch typically off the bottom, and get any saw, trim the bottom of the door, reinstall it, you're good to go. I have several videos up how to pop the pins off with ease to get your door operating, or get your door off, get it cut, and then get it functioning back on properly. The next one, and this one is a little bit goofier, is bifold closet doors, because everybody hates working with bifolds. They break easy, they fall off, they're a nightmare, but they're in everybody's house, so we have to deal with them. If you have new carpet installed and the doors won't go on, by the way, most carpet guys don't trim the bottom of doors, so you do need to be aware of this. This is for all you DIY types. The bifold doors won't go back on, so what you need to do is pull the hardware off the bottom of the door. There's a little pin down there. You could use a 5-in-1 or a little pry bar, pop that off, and then same scenario. You're gonna go ahead and take about 1/2 inch off the bottom of the door, reinstall the little pin, adjust it so it sits properly, and then hang the door again. I have several videos showing how to remove and hang those doors as well. Now, here's the one that's a little more tricky, is your front door. Typically a heavy-duty metal door, and it's gonna be a problem cutting it. So a couple different things you can go about doing. There's a total hillbilly scenario, whereas you would remove the padding from the swinging section and just have your carpet dip. Now, that kind of sucks. You really don't want to do it. The next best option would be to fold the carpet back and go ahead and install some sort of nice hard surface there that's going to sit lower than the carpet. So this could be ceramic, hardwood, vinyl plank floors, sheet vinyl. You have loads of options in this world, and you can find something that's going to look fantastic, that's going to allow your door to swing. So if your carpet gets installed, you say, oh my God, it's too high, I can't get in and out through my front door, I don't want access to the side or back door only, then go ahead and pull the carpet back, pop out the tack strips, run up to your big box stores and install some sort of hard surface. Like I said, whether that be vinyl plank, sheet vinyl, ceramic, hardwood, whatever, it will sit lower than the carpet, and you'll get that access to your door back. So those are just some quick tips on how you can go ahead and resolve the issue of having new carpet being too high for your doors and them not functioning for you. So if you have any other questions about the carpet and flooring industry, be sure to comment below. I'll create a video answering your questions for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.